In this session, I will explain how to apply fonts and how to apply borders to the cells and etc. options available in Home tab font group. Okay, so already we have some students data and employees data. We can apply all these font settings and border settings to these two statements. So first I am going to select students data. So in this already you know in MS Word how to apply these fonts and sizes and how to increase font size and how to decrease font size. And again see I am going to select headings. So I don't want this font, I am going to select one more font. Suppose I am going to place Arial black, and if you want we can increase the size also. Okay, and then if you want to decrease the size we can decrease it. If you want you can increase it. Okay, and see some edge went to and after the border of the cell, just double click on it. Okay, right. Now what we have to do, already they are in bold font, and if you want to apply italics and all, italics something bolds, italics, already that is in bold font. Why? Because Arial black applied. Suppose if you select something Arial like this, then you can apply bold, and you can say if you want to underline, and if you want more underline, double underline also you can apply. So like this we can apply. The same thing we can do here also. Suppose for employees, here we have headings. So for this I am going to apply some font settings, same Arial or select some other thing, and increase the size also, and if there is any adjustment you can decrease it, and you can double click here and here also, and here and here. So okay, then apply all these settings. If you want to fill with special color, suppose I want to fill with color like light yellow or something like this, light green color I applied. And if you want to apply a font color also you can apply. Suppose opposite color I want to set, suppose red color I am applying. Right. Same thing you can do in even in students statement also. Here I will apply some different background and different foreground color like this. Okay. Next we have one important option here, that is borders. Borders is very important. Why? Because see here we are having cells. If you print the statement, it's not going to print any borders in the paper. So if you want to print borders of each and every cell or particular cell, suppose these range of cells I want borders. So in that case I can select those cells and apply what kind of border you want for the cells. For example, here I am going to select outside border. Outside border means only to entire what we selected, the range entire border like this will come. Otherwise you can apply thick border also like this. You can preview the details also, preview the statement how it will be while printing. you can print preview the statements. See, you can see the only outside border will come. If you are not giving any border means it won't give you the border. For example, I am going to place borders for each and every cell of my statement. Then what I have to apply is all borders I have to apply. Now see, go to backstage view and select print option and then see, and of course average is not showing here. Why? Because we have to adjust that one. That thing I will explain you later. See, each and every cell is getting borders. Why? Because already I placed all borders to the cells. If you don't want the border, suppose I am selecting employee statement and go to file and then say print. Here there is no border even for headings as well as the data also. So now in this employee statement I want each and every cell to get borders. So what I am going to do is I am going to select all the cells and I will place all borders like this. Now go on view. That option you can place in a quick toolbar also. If you want to quick print like that, print preview like this. Print preview you can watch here itself. Okay. Why? Because each and every time file and go to the print, you need not to go to file and print. Directly we are viewing just what are the print previews we will get through that option. Okay, like that. Suppose if you don't want the border for each and every cell, I am going to select all these cells. Now I will round up the borders. Like instead of inner borders, round borders I am going to select. So round borders will come. See now, that is employees, this is students, employees, students. Sorry, once again we will go on set. I am going to remove all borders. I am going to remove borders, no borders. I am giving no borders. So I selected, I removed borders for each and everything. Select all the data and you apply no borders. Now go and see the print preview. So there is no border at all. Now again I will apply the all border option or the rounded border option, around border option. See, outside borders I can apply, and otherwise you can say top border or bottom border, like that also you can apply. Okay, suppose thick outer border. See, the statement in this paper it is printing up to HR here. That's why it's not giving the rightmost border. Why? Because that will be into the some other paper. If you can change orientation also. If you change orientation, then of course it is coming up to IT. But still you have to adjust. I will explain you later how to adjust these pages in page layout. Okay. Anyway, next, so like this we can place borders. Suppose if you want border specifically to this particular, then I can say like that. And even I am selecting the students. Here also you can see the preview. It is look like this. You can here you are not finding the borders for the titles or field headings. Now I am selecting the topmost and again I am setting all borders. Now see the preview. Okay, so placing borders is very important to your statements. how the statement is going to print in the paper, that decides by the borders. Okay, these are the minimum font settings to a statement. You can always enhance the settings of the font by clicking on this area. Suppose font settings, you will get dialog box. There you can apply more options. Some extra options what are not available in this area. Suppose font is different and a border is different. You can apply more options here, and filling is different. You can apply different filling settings and different colors you can select. Like that you can apply all these settings. What are the, as per your needs, you have to select. Okay. In the next session, we will explain how to align your text in the statements. Okay.